We left a few dalit. It says, "Kol harodif achar hakoved borachas." One who pursues honor, honor flees from him. So he explained that Hashem gives honor, and if a person pursues honor, what is that an indication of? He's corrupted in regard to this. He has a corrupted characteristic, which is gaiva. Because he has that, therefore, he's not worthy of honor. If Hashem gives honor to, who does he give honor to? A person who's not corrupted. But if you have a corrupted characteristic, which is gaiva, which is haughtiness, arrogance, he's not worthy of that. Therefore, it flees from him. So the more you pursue it, why are you pursuing it? You're not pursuing it l'shem shamayim. You're pursuing it for your self-honor, to be self-glorified. So that already, that's a negative. It's negative. You're not worthy of it. Could you imagine? Many years ago, there was a certain person, and for the centennial, he ordered a suit from a suit maker on Fifth Avenue. $25,000 he paid for the suit. It had gold thread in it. $25,000. He was a plumber. Made a lot of money as a plumber. Plumbing contractor. So could you imagine? And the man didn't bathe for 6 months, and he's going to try and go for a fitting. You can't go near the man, he reeks so. Could you put such a suit on the man? The man says, hey, you can spend $25,000. I mean, you can do a fitting. Why don't you go shower, whatever? Put it on. Right? Kavod is something special. HaKadosh Baruch Hu only endows a person with kavod only if he doesn't reek from arrogance. But if he has this corrupted characteristic of arrogance, Hashem doesn't give him kavod. Therefore, it flees from him. The more you pursue it, that only reveals the arrogance. Why do you want it? Because I deserve it. Because what? Okay, you have no relevance to it. You're not qualified to have it. Then we said, "Kol hadochik es hashor, hashor dovkoso. Ki dover zeh ki yeshov uzman miyuchad she'ola odom el hagdula." A person only rises to greatness only if it's meant to be at that particular moment. The time has not yet come to rise. And if you push the hour will push you. You're not going to make it. You're pushing the hour. You want prominence. You want acknowledgement. You want recognition. Time hasn't yet come. He's cast off. It's interesting. Mari's a question. It says that Shaul had to pass away. He was the king. So Shmuel prayed. It says he extended his mouth was 2.5 years. Because Shaul was the protege of Shmuel. And therefore, it caused him, and it was Mispal, Hashem says he has to die. He has to die. Why? Because it's time for David to ascend the throne. And a Malchus nogas b'chaver tafil k'molay nima. One kingdom does not touch the other as much as a thread. When it's time for the other one to rise, the other one has to be removed. That's going the other way, which means when the time comes, you're there, and if it's not the time, then you're not there. That's exactly what he's saying. And what it says, nitche, he says, nitche l'gamri. You don't stand a chance. You'll be cast off. Chomishe nitche min ashor, she'egia azman elov l'kabel soror v'u nitche, v'ino rotze l'kabel soror. What means? You're supposed to rise to prominence, to assume a position of responsibility, and you try to escape it. Ashor medislo. Shebezeh nitche yoser, he says, v'ino rotze l'kabel soror, hashor medislo. The hour's waiting for him. Your time has come, you're going to ascend. As much as you try to flee the honor, you don't want it. That's what happened initially with Shaul. Shaul initially, when he was told by Shmuel, Hashem wants you to be the king, he says, look, I'm busy. I'm studying, I don't need it. He says, but if Hashem wants me, I have no choice, I'll assume the position of king. Shebazeh nitche yosim asheroi l'kach hasho l'karab also. כי השור שימוכן אל הגדולה מקרבו לגמרי, שישלו שור כאשר נדחה בני השור, רוצה לבטל עושה השור, שעומד אצלו, שלא יבטל לשור. If the moment comes, the hour comes and you're supposed to, and you want to try, the hour will wait, it'll wait for you. It's waiting. It's yours, and because the moment is yours, even though you delay, it's still waiting. The position is yours. Because you're meant to be the one to assume that position. Something which indicates the specialness, the uniqueness of a person, will call and it's only you're worthy of it based on your status. Only if you're worthy of it, you're ready to assume it. You can pursue it, but you're not qualified. You're not qualified, so then you cast off. Give you an example. Person applies to an Ivy League college. Can't sign his name. He's illiterate. As much as he goes to the admission office to try to apply, whatever, they're not going to accept him. But I've been here 10 times. Why don't you accept me? You don't qualify. If you don't qualify, you're not going in. As much as you come. The person doesn't qualify for cover because he's not worthy of the cover. He's not getting the cover. As much as you pursue it, as much as you want it, you're not having it. That's the point. Because covet is a milo. It indicates the status, the uniqueness of the person. But if you're not unique because you pursue honor, which indicates arrogance, then you don't make the grade. Therefore, you're not going to get it. To be continued. It's based